Okay, this is our Diacro bender, and notice we have pictorial instruction sheets to aid this video. As you stand in the machine, you want to be directly in front of the bending stop. When you pull the arm, it goes against the bending stop. So stand right in front of the bending stop. You're going to take your part, the reamed end, the half-inch hole needs to come toward you. Put your part between the center pin and the forming nose so that when you rotate it clockwise, it goes against this backing pin. Make sure that the bending stop is all the way out against the end of its arm against this little cotter pin. Okay. Bring the part, rotate the handle so the bending stop is right at the end of the part, and then bring the end of the part over and just touch it. Okay. Then I'm putting pressure on the part rotationally clockwise against the backstop pin. I can swing the bending stop now up out of the way. Then bring the arm over. As soon as the forming nose starts to hit the part can't move. Make sure that the part is sitting flat on the face of the bender, and then pull the arm until it gets against the stop. Back it up. Take the part, raise it, rotate it longitudinally, and put it back in the same way it was. Now the 3/16 hole that's right about in the middle of the length of the part, you want to bring that over so that as you're standing in the same spot you were, you can put this little stopping pin in that hole, rotate the part clockwise against the backup pin, and then pull the part toward you until the pin, the little positioning pin, is perpendicular to the part. Okay. Then if I hold pressure against the part, I can take that pin out and do the second bend. It should look like the sample hanging on the machine. Don't use the sample to see if the bends are the right angles. It's been bruised and abused. Okay, now you want to take a ruler of some sort, and on a flat surface, for instance the table of the bandsaw, on your drawing there's a dimension that goes from this surface to this surface, 1 1/4 inches. So if you put the part on the bandsaw table, first thing I can see is that my bend is not, this segment of the part is not parallel to the table. It's going uphill a little bit. If I bring my ruler up here, okay, this point is right on the money, 1 1/4 inches. This point over here is too high. It's almost 1 3/8 inches. So if this point is wrong, I need to bend here. If this point is correct but this point is wrong, I need to bend here. So what I need to do is I need to tighten this bend a little bit to bring this point down. So I'll put it in the vise using jaw protectors. I don't want to waffle print my part. So I'll put it in the vise, putting the bend right at the edge of the vise jaws, and get my part level. And then I just need to pull it toward me, pull near the bend. I just need to change that bend a little bit, not much. And I'll check it again. Inch and a quarter, inch and a quarter. Okay. Now, the next thing the instruction sheet says, which we also have one in this room, it says, form the spring seat on one handle only.